Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is break, an A1 level noun meaning a pause or interruption. Break is used to describe a short period of rest from activity or a time when something is interrupted. For example, during a school day, you might have a lunch break. A very common synonym for break is pause, like in let's take a pause before continuing the meeting, or you could use rest, as in, I need a rest after that walk. An antonym for break would be continuation, as in, the movie's continuation was very exciting, or start. For example, the start of the game was delayed. Break is used in many everyday situations like when you say, I need a coffee break at work, or give me a break when you're exasperated. You might also hear people say the car needs a brake service, or that's a lucky break when something good happens. To use it in a sentence, we could say, we had a short break at 3 p.m. Or consider the phrase, take a break from work. Another example is the cup had a break in it. So remember, break means a pause or interruption. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps other listeners find the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using break and share it in the comments below the video.